Morensic with Got Tec Richmond. Got Tec Richmond is my community initiative which funds and donates technology to underserved and underfunded schools in the Richmond, Virginia area.
What are we going to do today?
Today we are going to be signing up for Scratch. First off, what is Scratch?
A block-based programming language and friendly community.
And what does it have to offer?
You can create games, animations, art, stories, and more.
Scratch is also a positive community where you can share your ideas and feedback with others. Let's get started on this exciting coding adventure.
Ask your parents for permission first, then log on to scratch.mit.edu. Click Join Scratch in the upper right-hand corner. Now, it's time to think of your username and password. Type them into the boxes on the screen. Write it down so you don't forget it. Press Next, then enter your birthday, gender, and country. Press Next, then enter your parents' or teacher's email. Click Next, then click on the OK, let's go button.
Take a moment to pause this video and ask your parent or teacher to confirm their email. Once you've done that, refresh the page and the orange bar should be gone.
Now, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Profile. You can roll over your picture to change it. Click Change, then choose your file. You can also edit your About Me and What I'm Working On sections. If you want to check out some of my projects, my username is Crazy Nimbus. You can search for me using the search bar above your profile.
Now we're ready to get coding. In the next episode, we are going to be making a simple animation project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.